To look up invoices and check the status, as well as create reports of your invoicing data within Fidesic, the first thing we'll have you do is go to fidesic.com and log in using your already created username and password. From here, we'll direct you to Payables, and then we will go to the Invoices Received tab. So you can either click it right here or go Payables and Invoices Received. This page is going to be a queue of all invoices that have been processed through your Fidesic system. So this is a snapshot of everything that's happening. If you just need a quick report of everything that's in the system, really easy to do. Simply go down here, click Export to Excel, select the number of pages that you'd like included in this, and go ahead and click Export. And once that report has been saved, you can simply open it up in Excel and sort and do whatever you might like to do. Beyond that, you've got every invoice in the system that you can look at individually. So if you're curious about a particular invoice, simply click on the link. You'll be taken to a detail page where you can check on the invoice history, check on the workflow, and make sure you know exactly what's going on with a particular invoice, including pulling up the original PDF copy of that invoice. If you're looking for something specific, you can look up things by vendor name, vendor number, vendor email address, invoice number, amount, or GL code. So anything is searchable here. So let's look up things that are for a particular vendor. Let's just go with a travel company here. So now this is everything sorted by a travel company. Great, good to have, more segmented lists. Let's say you need to narrow it down even further. You can click on Advanced Search here, and then you can search based on all of these other options. So you can search based on what type of document it is. So let's look for invoices that are currently approved. And let's say that they were created in this quarter. So we have our date range here. These date ranges are customizable as well, but we have some auto selectors here from the date range for you. So now that we've got this, let's search. And sure enough, we have one invoice that was created in this date range that is in fully approved status. So if we need a report of what this, just like before, you click Excel. The difference is it's only going to include exactly what was sorted out by all of our filters. If you need to remove filters one at a time, so let's say we don't want anything that's approved status, that updates it a little bit. Let's not limit it to invoices. That would pull up other credits or anything else in the system if you had it. And let's just look at everything from this quarter, not including the vendor name. So you can add as many or as few filters as you need to find the status of any particular invoice within the system. Aside from just looking up invoices, you also have the option to look up payments. So if you go to our payment sent page, this has all the payments that were processed through our system as well as the current status. And you have all of the tools available to you that you had within the invoicing side as far as searching and exporting to a flat file for your review. If you work in AP, you'll also be able to look up invoices based on whose approval queue they are in. You simply need to go to Admin and Delegate List page. From this page, you'll be able to see what invoices and what payments are in individual approvers queue. So to see that, simply find the person you're looking for, view their invoices, and these are the two invoices that are currently pending this particular approver's queue. And just like always, when you're on the Invoices Received page, you can export this to an Excel file and have it on hand locally.